I don't normally do iced coffee, but it'll have to do for today. No sleep. Lineup is sick. I want to check out that G83, that vert. It's nice. Had to check this out. This is sexy.
Oh my god, that is
sexy G83. Man, look at this. See, this is my biggest fear about running these aggressive grills down here, man. It don't look like it's too bad though. What kind of wheels are these? These are really nice wheels. Forge line. Eesh. These things are real nice wheels. Perfect fitment too. You got the comp with the, I rarely see this. I've never seen that before with the white seats. Nice and clean, nice and clean. I like it. Look like stock, high stock, everything. Do a little wrap design to the front. Let me know what you guys think. This is definitely either love it or hate it. Actually, I think the whole car's wrapped. It's just like it's a wrap. It's definitely love it or hate it. Put in the comment section below what you guys think. They did a good job right here. It definitely looks better in person because you can actually see the little cuts and stuff, but in the camera, it looks kind of flat. I don't know. I'm on the fence about this one. What you guys think? White interior. This is a nice color. Got the buckets in there. V10. This is a vert. E46. 5CS. I think I ran into this dude on the highway. GTI. You see, when you start seeing cables and stuff like that, you don't mess with these kind of guys. They're ready to go. Look at that. He already got the special secret sauce on already. Look, no traction, none of that. He's ready. He's ready for war. We got a G20 right here. You know I gotta dissect this one, boy. Carbon fiber front lip. Look like the keys one. I don't even know. Shadow line headlights looks sexy. Those shadow line headlights look nice.
Jacking it?
Nah, I like it. Yo, where we got the lip from?
I got it from Kaz.
Okay, yeah, I figured. It looks nice.
Definitely appreciate you, my guy.
Thanks. We got spaces on here?
Nah, it's stock. Everything's stock. I just put a lip, mirror caps.
Yeah, I like the mirror caps too. Red interior. Watch your back, bro. Carbon fiber wheel. Okay, you doing your thing already. Sheesh. Nice. Wood interior, the wood thing.
40 to the M4. I'm trying to give me a M.
Nah, man. Look at this thing.
I call me this the baby M.
Nah, it's fast enough. Trust me, it'll get you there.
Definitely.
Tail lights too. Carbon fiber. You wasn't playing no games, man. You weren't playing no games, man. We got a bunch of different cars out here. This is one of the biggest meetups I think these guys had, especially coming deep out here. It's my guy M3. Shout out to you. Probably in one of the last videos y'all gonna see. That day he stepped out. Woo-hoo. I think you guys remember the inside of this. Beautiful. Thinking about getting these paddles. What you guys think? Should I pick these paddles up? Put in the comment section below. Think about picking one for my car. Beautiful spec. And he got it washed today. Look at this guy. Complete chaos. So much beamers. U-turns. People going the wrong way. These rallies are fun. But I personally think it gets to a certain amount, it's just actually kind of annoying. Yeah, I'm eating in the car, by the way. I've been eating this thing. And I already farted in the seats too. The novelty wore off very fast. When I start peeling stickers off too. Well, we'll see where this thing takes us. Chaos. God damn, that thing sounds so good. about to bust your ass. I know, right? All right, we good? Because we blocking mad roads right now. This is crazy. I can tell it's going to be a shit show. Everybody trying to go fast behind each other. I guess I'm going by myself. What's good, brother? All right. When did the Accord come in the mix? What's good, bro? What's up? Everything good?
Yeah, everything good. Where everybody else at?
Everybody went up there. Yeah, I just had to do my own thing. It got a little wild, reckless. You know, we in other people's hoods, so, you know, I don't want to, I'm not trying, you know. I'm just chilling back here, do my own thing, get some exhaust. I like it, though. Carbon ceramic brakes and everything. Yeah. Yo, do your thing, man. Enjoy it. I like the car, brother.
No problem.
All right.
YouTube.
Yeah. I'll be on YouTube, brother. Yeah. You going to see the car on there?
Yeah, I seen it on there already when it was putting on the pieces.
Yeah. I got some stuff coming, man. But, yo, take it easy, all right?
All right.
Look at it, man. I got the iPhone out right now, so quality might not be the best, but working with what we got. Mad Catless downpipes, AWE mid pipes, non-resonated, still have the secondary cats, and the AWE rear section. This is the Switchpath rear. This thing sounds freaking insane, yo. Like around town, it might be a little bit more loud. That's why you have the valves. You can open and close them. Close it actually don't sound too bad, but yeah, man. I'm gonna send it for you guys, let you guys get some exhaust clips because it sounds good. I got some on the GoPro up ahead, but I think this rear section with the mic, whoo, yeah. Yo, this exhaust setup is mental, bro. You hear this thing? Especially when it's bouncing off like the, well, I don't want to say the trees, but the walls or the rocks or something like that. This thing is mental, bro. Yo, AWE for the freaking win, yo. For the win. Jeez, hope you guys like this video. And let me know what you guys think about the exhaust. A lot of people say they like it better in person. It's super freaking loud. And it sounds pretty good too. So let me know what your thoughts are. I'm Mike from Slow Speed. Peace out.